Okay. Are you gonna touch it again?
Yeah.
It doesn't bother you that it's a bug.
It's so noisy. Make some noise. Come on.
Oh my gosh. That is awful.
It's so loud. It's hurting my ears. Let go.
Oh my god. This is the worst bug ever.
Ow.
That is weird. Oh.
I'm gonna name him Paul.
Paw. He's so noisy. Okay, maybe let's see his face. He could make like rap music.
Fly.
How do I turn it off?
Fly. Fly away.
Well, now he doesn't want to perform. He's on camera. He's shy.
So noisy.
You have a new friend. But I think he's eating some poison.
I don't think he can fly very well.
I don't think he's doing too good. I think he's probably dying.
Let go.
Should say, he's so ugly. Sorry.
I like him.
Of course you do. He's Paul.
He's flipping huge. And not so bright.